Hello, I am Mr. M from Git4Dev. In this video, I will talk about how to create layer group in GeoServer. What is layer group? Layer group is a combination of multi-layer in GeoServer and display at one layer. Add a GeoServer page. Login. Username GeoServer and password GIS4Dev, and then click Login. If login success, you can get a permission to create layer group. Click Add Layer Group on the left panel. Click Add New Layer Group. In this example, I will create layer group that contain Thai layer and world layer. I fill in name group 1 and title Thailand with world. I fill in abstract Thailand plus world. Select workspace which you want to save this group. In my case, I select GIS4Dev. Click Add Layer. Click on World and Add Layer again. Click on Thai. Click on Generate bound and GeoServer will automatically calculate bound from both layers. Scroll down and click Save. Your layer, group 1, will appear in this page. Now, I will show you how it works. Click on Layer Preview. Your new group will appear here. Thailand with world. Click on Open Layer. It will show you world boundary and Thai boundary together. If you have a question, you can write down in a comment box. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye สวัสดีครับ